Hey, what's going on YouTube? Got a couple boxes here from HotWheelRacerMike. HotWheelRacerMike sent me this box, and then he had some cars over at Racebound Speedway, so shout out to 3D for sending those over as well. I guess let's just jump right into the box that Mike sent over. All right, I had that backwards. This is the box that 3D sent of Mike's stuff. So there are the three from there. I guess we'll start with these instead. Hey, look at this. I wasn't told what was going to be coming from Racebound Speedway. These are the three cars that Hot Wheel Racer Mike had in the Underground Racing League not too long ago. And the first one up is the Fast and Furious Maserati. And this one is called the Mountain Maserati. That one is coming in at 104.0. Oh, that's a smooth roller too. I like that. So that one will be on the low side for Class B, but that doesn't necessarily mean anything. No way. I know you guys remember this one, the nose. 57 Chevy Hot Wheels with the giant blown motor on the front there. That's great. So cool to see it in person. Fantastic. Fantastic. Let's get it on the scale, because I do not remember what its weight was. 108.4. And this one will be, again, on the low side for Class B. For those of you who don't know, Class A is 1 gram up to 100 grams. Class B is 101 grams up to 200 grams. And Class C is 201 grams plus. And the Dodge Charger SRT. Looks like it's got some BBs in there for weight. Sounds like one of them is loose, but it doesn't seem to be in the way of the wheels at all. So that will be just fine. Let's get it on the scale. And that one is at 96.4 on the high end for Class A. And she's a good roller too. Awesome, very cool. That was very unexpected. So Mike, 3D, appreciate you guys sending those over to KMS. Give them a run here. Now, let's jump into the box that Mike sent. He said there was a bunch coming, but wow. That is a fair amount of vehicles. There we go. All right, a lot of cars, so I'll try and go through them quick. All right, first one up. We got the Zender. Very cool. Clean with that weight in there, Mike. I like how you did that. You can see it, but it's not terribly obvious. Looks good. Let's get it on the scale. Whoa, she's running away. Still running. What's the deal? She rolls good, Mike. She rolls good. Coming in at 68.5 grams. Oh, nice and smooth. Ooh, got a red truck. 56 Ford pickup. Nice old truck. Step on the side. Definitely carrying a very heavy load. Yeah, this thing is back heavy like crazy. This thing's getting nothing but pushed down the track by that weight in the bed there. Awesome. Jimmy's Auto Service, Texaco. Get it on the scale. Oh, nice. 140.2. That's a good weight to be in for Class B. Anywhere between maybe a little higher, maybe like 145 to 165 is a great little pocket to be in for Class B. 140, it's not bad. And with all that weight in the back being pushed, I think that will do quite nicely. Trucks do really well at KMS. Next up, we got something heavy and blue, like very freaking heavy. Hot Wheel Racer Mike on the side there. The 2008 Lancer Evolution. Cool. That is a Hot Wheels. Stay in frame. I'm too busy looking at the cars. I'm not paying attention to the frame, so I apologize if my hand's way over here and I'm talking about the car for a second. Looks like the car's been through a fire with melted windshield, but man. Wow, that weight is clean from front to back. Metal base, screw together. Nice wheel spin. The Lancer is coming in at, 193.8. Nice. Oh yeah, she's a roller. That will be a good one for Class B. Very good one for Class B. After this video, Mike, I'll get a hold of you and we'll touch base on what order you want to run these in. Next up. What do we got here? This is a Matchbox Cadillac CTS Coupe 2011. It's like a bird's nest with eggs in it. It's like nature found a way. That's cool. Saw blade wheels. It's pretty good weight. It's gonna be I'm gonna take a wild guess. See how good I am at this. Ooh, I'm going 68 grams. 64.2. I was close though. She's a good roller. Another one for Class A. Got two more here. This is second to last. There we go. Chrysler 300 FTEs. Weight is loose inside. Doesn't affect the wheels though. A little bit of shake from the weight is okay as long as it's not bouncing around too much. And this just, that's not bouncing around enough to affect the performance too much. FTEs on there. Like the color, that burnt orange. Let's get it on the scale. Dang, they just want to move. Mike, your wheels are great. 82.9. Cool. Getting into the upper end of Class A there. Last one. Oh, it's a light one. Tesla Model X. Yep. There we go. Tesla Model X in red. Got the wheel swap for FTEs. Teslas do pretty good, the Model X, on the fat track as well as on mine going through the 90-degree turn. The biggest thing you gotta really work your custom for on my track at KMS is turn 1. You want a decent amount of weight to be able to battle the other person hitting you or two other people possibly hitting you going through turn 1. You also need a car that can handle a 90-degree turn. We've seen plenty of cars that are a little more top heavy flip over. We've seen cars that are short go into a super spin. All right, Tesla Model X coming in at 62.9 grams. Another one right in the middle there for Class A. Awesome. Lots of really cool cars. Let's go freehand here for a minute. That will keep us going for quite some time, Mike. Definitely appreciate that a lot. Well, thanks a bunch, Mike. Like I said, I'm going to get a hold of you. We'll work out a game plan for which ones go up first. And make sure you guys check out Hot Wheel Racer Mike on YouTube. He runs tons of races from King of the Hill, manufacturer comparison, fat track racing. He does a little bit of everything. It's a good time. And also you can check him out on Instagram as well. Links for all of Mike's social media will be in the description below. So that's it. Big shout out to 3D for sending over Mike's cars. It's just too cool. Too cool to see the nose in person. It's hilarious. So that's it. Appreciate you guys for hanging out. Hope you guys are out hunting. Hope you guys are out finding cool things, doing cool things. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye. She's running away. Still running. What's the deal? She rolls good, Mike. She rolls good.